The UK government schooled Ghana government on how citizens arrest works. I know a lot of Nigerians, quote, Igbo people are already on the internet celebrating, jubilating that fake Igbo king has won the battle. But just to let you know, Ghanaians can only slow down, but that doesn't mean they do not know what they are doing.
I'm here to make a citizen's arrest. So the CEOs of large corporations should not be getting away with putting priority on their profits when people are suffering.
Are you trying to serve any of the Thames companies?
No.
Or are you trying to serve Chris in his personal capacity?
Chris and Alistair in their personal capacity. We the people are saying no more. Even if our state are ignoring it, we see you.
Hello, my name's Isabel. I'm actually here to place you under citizen's arrest.
Excuse me, I'm trying to get some work.
I'm so sorry. I know you are, but this is a very serious matter. The charge is actually public nuisance, and we have reason to believe that you are on your way to commit further crimes of public nuisance.
You can arrest someone if you see them committing a crime or if you have reasonable cause to believe they've committed a felony, even if you didn't see it happen.
Do you know it's even better for a Ghanaian to come out and, say their mind than to keep quiet and be, digging out things in secret? You see, I think this one will be brutal. Like their next coming will be brutal. And you and I know, if you know Ghanaians very well, this fake Igbo king body should be shaking by now. Well, guys, enough of the talk. Let's get right into the video. And please, at the end of it, I would love you to drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's watch.
I'm here to make a citizen's arrest. So the CEOs of large corporations should not be getting away with putting priority on their profits when people are suffering.
Are you trying to serve any of the Thames companies?
No.
Or are you trying to serve Chris in his personal capacity?
Chris and Alistair in their personal capacity. We the people are saying no more. Even if our state are ignoring it, we see you. We've come here to make a citizen's arrest of Alistair Cochrane and Chris Weston because even our own PM is calling for prosecutions, and we've got indictments here from lawyers all gathered from the public domain. We've carried out the citizen's arrest under the Public Order Act. Yes, so these are from lawyers.
So the allegation that you...
Public nuisance.
Okay.
Public nuisance is when you are disrupting the general public. Everyone sees it playing out that they are disrupting, they are causing people's bills to go up, and they're not taking care of the infrastructure, and they're continuing to dump illegal sewage spills into our rivers. They need to be held accountable. Yeah, we would think that the police would take the charge of public nuisance very seriously. I'm just a member of the public because just like the blood scandal, just like the post office scandal, until a member of the public did something, we as citizens have taken it upon ourselves to look at the evidence that's already out there and hold these people to account. The main reason to come here today was to obviously carry out a citizen's arrest to stop them, because even our own Prime Minister's been calling for prosecutions because we know these crimes are being committed every day in their roles, and nothing's been happening.
I've just had a chat with my detective sergeant around the paperwork and the allegations, and obviously it is what you're saying, these are criminal offences, idle offences, etc. For us to investigate them thoroughly, he would have to intend to endanger people. That would be like the intention, the point to prove is the offences. But in terms of us arresting him now, we've got no necessity to do that.
Have you heard of oblique intent? Is where somebody may not have the intention, but they know the consequence of that action will result in that.
Okay.
That's a very serious thing to be guilty of. Yeah. You're causing pollution, you're causing damage to the environment, to our ecosystems, you're poisoning the rivers, you're putting people's lives at risk, drinking water at risk by not investing in the infrastructure. And this is a public nuisance charge. So I just get really confused why the police know there's crimes going on. Is it a different rule for people in corporate jobs than the members of the public? Because if I was committing public nuisance, I know that you'd be coming to arrest me, wouldn't you? You would though, wouldn't you?
Yeah. Mark. Hello, Mark Thurston. Hello, my name's Isabel. I'm actually here to place you under citizen's arrest.
Excuse me, I'm trying to get some work.
I'm so sorry. I know you are, but this is a very serious matter. The charge is actually public nuisance, and we have reason to believe that you are on your way to commit further crimes of public nuisance. So you are safe. The police have been called and are on their way. and we just request that you wait here with us now until they
It's
come.
not possible, I'm afraid. I need to get to work. I'm
I
really sorry.
do understand
One of your
that.
colleagues tried to do this to me the other day up at my office.
Yes. Yes.
So I've seen this stuff before.
Yeah, it's not a start. Hello, I do have the right to under the police the section 24A of the police and evidence
Well, I'm
bill.
going to call the police because you're
Yes,
not.
please do. You can also call anyone else to tell them that you may well be late this morning. I do understand that this is inconvenient for you, but I'm afraid the crime of public nuisance is very serious as well.
How to make a citizen's arrest. Have you ever wondered what you can do if you witness a crime happening right in front of you? In certain situations, you have the right to make a citizen's arrest. But before you take any action, it's crucial to understand the rules and risks involved. First, you need to be sure you're witnessing a crime. This could be a felony, like a violent crime, or a misdemeanor that's disturbing the peace, such as loud noise or a public fight. In states like Texas and California, you can arrest someone if you see them committing a crime or if you have reasonable cause to believe they've committed a felony, even if you didn't see it happen. When making a citizen's arrest, it's essential to act carefully. You should tell the person clearly that you are making a citizen's arrest and that you're holding them until the police arrive. It's also important to call the police immediately and ask for the person's cooperation until they get there. Try to avoid using force if possible, and only use as much force as necessary to detain the person safely. Your safety and the safety of others is a top priority. If the situation looks too risky, it's better to report the crime to the police instead of taking action yourself. Remember, police officers are trained to handle these situations, and they have the right equipment and training to do so safely. Once you've made the arrest, you must deliver the person to a police officer without delay. If you don't call the police right away, the arrest could be ruled illegal, and you could face civil or criminal consequences. It's also important to correctly identify the suspect. If you're not sure who committed the crime, it's better not to make an arrest. Mistaken identity can lead to dangerous situations and potential legal trouble for you. In summary, making a citizen's arrest is a serious decision that requires careful consideration. Always prioritize your safety and the safety of others, and make sure you follow the specific laws in your state.
I want to say a very big thank you to Dr. Honorable Hassan Ayariga. He has shown the whole world how matured and how capable of a leader he is. I can imagine myself in his shoes. I would have, broke down, but he stood firm until this very last day. And him honoring and respecting the current government right now, you should know that he is a very respectful person. That's a saying that said, respect is reciprocal. You give it to me, I give it to you. So he doesn't want to do anything that will tarnish the name of this current government. That's to let you know that Ghanaians, not just the youth, but even the elderly people, the young people in Ghana have respect for each other. I can imagine this in Nigeria. The person will beat his chest and be like, I don't give a F about the other person. Everybody will just try to do something that will, benefit his pocket. But this man took a huge step by respecting Ghana government, you see, because he wants a better government. He doesn't want anybody to be hurt. You understand what I mean? And by the way, he is a leader, and indeed, he's a true leader. These are the kind of character that a true leader should have. And I respect Honorable Dr. Hassan Ayariga for this.
CEO Smash Lord, come save your king now. Family, you people should tag CEO Smash Lord. Tag him. Like, he should receive almost 1,000 tags. CEO Smash Lord, maybe you see trouble when you don't go put innocent man as you claim. I feel like crying for you. I feel like, CEO Smash Lord. They are.
Make we hear wetin Christ in me talk for this old video.
What did they see? Citizens arrest on the 18th. Look, I talk am. Now some of Chuku the children, now they put am for wahala. Una just dey online, they say, Igbo king go sue this, Igbo king go sue people for their own country. He go sue them. Now the same people when una threaten say if they born their way, make they do video talk about am. Now the same people will come arrest am for house on the 18th. Family. I don't know whether I will cry. CEO Smash Lord, come save your king now. Family, you people should tag CEO Smash Lord. Tag him. Like he should receive almost 1,000 tags. CEO Smash Lord, you see trouble when you don't go put innocent man as you claim. I feel like crying for you. I feel like CEO Smash Lord, they arrest your king go. CEO Smash Lord, you know can't save him. How? Come GH. CEO Smash Lord, come GH when you can't save your king go. CEO Smash Lord, come online. He dey dear Ghana bloggers. He say Ghana bloggers if they born una well. CEO Smash Lord, now they put fire for this man leg. Now CEO Smash Lord, now they do you. Mr. Chukwudi, now CEO Smash Lord, they do you. He dey make Ghanaian dey vex them all. Now him dey vex them. They want now Dr. Hassan Ayariga I post this thing this morning. When I see her, I say, which kind of pikin be this? Double wahala. Chukwudi and Chukwuma onye bebere. Our family. Now CEO Smash Lord, now they put fire for this Chukwudi leg. Yes. Chukwudi no they come online, they talk at all. CEO Smash Lord, they challenge Ghanaians. Now you they make them vex. For people own country. You dey make them vex, say if they born their way, make they talk about this your fake king again. Why you can't they do like that? Citizens arrest. Citizens arrest. Well, I know what I want to talk. See you Smash Lord, you don't put your king go.
When I know this boy where they call Christ in me, tag am for this video. Christ in me, you go provide evidence. Now finally, we don't win the battle. Finally, CEO Smash Lord, conquer, we win. You dey call me say I should come and save my Igbo king. I stand with Igbo king, no shaking. Even all the threatening what I receive, I still stand with Igbo king. I dey carry up updates. They dey threaten me, I dey push updates. I stand gidigba. Na man I be. And after everything I defeat, I win. So now, you go provide all the evidence of the allegation where you lay on the Igbo king. All the allegation where you lay on the Igbo king. Christ in me, you go provide the evidence. One line. Say me say na me dey put fire for Igbo king your leg. Na me dey put fire for your leg. Now, I won't put fire for your leg for your own matter, for your matter. Now, we don't defeat Hassan Ayariga and all these Ghana bloggers. We don't defeat them. We beat them hands down. Now you see Christ in me, I go put fire. Now me go dey disturb the working now. I go dey put fire. Make they pick you up. See, even if they dey waste and they dey door, I go dey put fire. Yes. Say me say na me dey put fire. Thank you very much. I agree. Christ in me, the only thing wey go save you now na your evidence. All the video of allegation wey you do, na me send that to Igbo king. Yes. Now me send them to Igbo king. Make I tell you now. All of them. So make I tell you, go and provide the evidence. You say Igbo king in a fraudster. Yes. He say he scam Turkish man. How much? Now you know. You say Igbo man na kidnapper. You say the Igbo king na what did they come? Na HK, na you get HK. He dey train Yahoo boys. Now he dey bring Ashawo come from Nigeria. A lot of things what he say. Provide the evidence. We defeat Hassan Ayariga. Hassan Ayariga will be Ghanaian. They pick him, plant him. They pick him, Hassan. They pick Hassan. Hassan sleep for station. Hassan will be your mentor. They sleep for station. Talk more of you. Now life imprisonment. Now, Christ in me. Now life imprisonment they go. You go provide evidence. Hassan sleep for station. Talk more of you. I pity you. You said I made a put fire, I agree. No worry, and now I won't put the main fire. The Christ in me, just they gather your evidence. Your own don't finish. So all these Ghana bloggers, so they make noise online. How far? Last, who win? He who laugh last, laugh the best. After everything, who win? We know they do cho. Go verify. Go and ask Nigerians. So all these Ghana bloggers, I don't want to hear cho again. No? Well, I'm not saying I'm be on a boss now. Yes, because I defeated all of you. Yes, I stand and I defeated all of you. So, CEO Smash Lord, let me be the boss of all of you now. So, I don't want to hear cho, say Igbo King, Igbo King. I don't want to hear, starting from today, Starting from today, I no wan hear cho from all these Ghana bloggers. Igbo king, I no wan hear am. In short, na law I dey set for una now. No, na no try new. Na like this, they go. Anybody where I point, they go pick am. Anybody where I point, they go pick am. When I see as I point Hassan Arega, they pick am overnight. Anybody where I point, they go pick am. I no wan hear cho online. Go and ask Nigerians. We know they do cho. Now walk-ins with the show. We are not meant to be doing talkie. No be to they run from TV station to another. Hassan Arega don't go over 300 TV station, over 300 radio station. Him and Kweku, they're not blah blah. We don't do that, man. We show walk-ins. We show walk-ins. So after you don't run all this television where you run after everything, now just they pick them up. Now like this we do them. They pick Hassan sleep for station. It's just a long kitty. Hassan they run kitty from TV station till they run the top, blah blah blah. We are not stopping, we are not going back. We must arrest on the We just look at now like this, we just look at like this. Auntie say, we are say this one now. We don't they pick him. In sleep for station, they plank him, water in collect. 2 by 2. What? You know see saying I read. In use spec, cover in eye. That's how they do press conference. In use spec, cover eye. I read now. They what? How better hand they touch him. They what? They silent what you do. They in collect for station. Person will sleep for station. Person sleep for station. See, we're gonna respect Nigerians. Bro, we too much. No temper with us. We will say that we hold Ghana economy. No temper with us, we too much. When I say as you humble on a master, I don't want to hear church online again.